What is a smart factory? At Absolution, we believe a smart factory is a manufacturing facility where advanced robots and machines work together, guided by real-time data and analytics to achieve maximum yield. In a smart factory, every process is optimized, every decision is informed, and every outcome is a breakthrough. We don't just build automation solutions, we imbue them with intelligence. We strongly believe data is the language of success, guiding every decision and optimizing every process. The solutions we designed are always designed to understand and process complex data from all aspects of your operation. We offer a comprehensive suite of products and services designed to revolutionize your manufacturing processes. Our all-in-one manufacturing execution system with enterprise resource planning integration, in partnership with SAP, ensures seamless data flow and coordination across your entire operation. We provide advanced production scheduling, digital work instructions, and real-time dashboards to keep your processes efficient and traceable. Our automated optical inspection systems deliver unparalleled accuracy, enhancing quality control and operational visibility. We transform traditional factories by enabling instant efficiency and yield improvements, real-time insights, on-the-fly process improvements, defect-free operations, and more, putting you in absolute control. At Absolution, we pride ourselves on being experts in the field of robotics. As a certified system integrator for renowned robotic brands like KUKA and Universal Robots, we have built a legacy of innovation with over 100 advanced robots deployed. We craft complex robotic automation that seamlessly integrates into your operations, bringing precision, efficiency, and ingenuity to every task. We don't just deploy robots. We guide you into a new era of collaboration and possibility for your factory. We specialize in deploying a range of advanced robotics, including collaborative robots, mobile robots, high-payload robots, SCARA, and Delta robots, all equipped with advanced sensing technology so that robots can sense their environment and perform complex tasks autonomously.
From day one, our goal at ADSI was clear: to harness the transformative power of robotics and automation, making it accessible and beneficial for every industry. Our journey has been about more than just technology, but it's also about crafting the solution that drive progress and innovation.
Our clients see Absolution as more than just a solution provider. They view us as a trusted partner in their journey towards innovation and excellence. Time and again, our clients tell us how our seamless integration of cutting-edge technology has transformed their operations, providing clarity, efficiency, and peace of mind. With Absolution, they have a partner who genuinely cares about their growth and is dedicated to helping them achieve their highest potential. Absolution, your trusted engineering partner.